Alright, we did it. 500 subs now, yeah. Epic, right? Cool. So, it's been decided that I'm making a video, epic tutorial video, on how I edit my videos. Alright? So this is how I do it. Alright, so first, we're gonna just go over here, click File, Import Media. This is Sony Vegas 14, by the way. Get some random video. Where are my videos at? Get a video. Boom, we got our video, whatever, and then now we just cut it up. I usually just cut up what I want to keep in the video. Just a bunch of jump cuts, so ching ching pong pong ping pong pong. There we go. Pretend this is like cool moments or whatever. I don't know what this is, so hold on.
Are you gay?
Okay, nice. Okay, so usually what I do is I get like a clip.
Are you gay?
Like that. And then you know how I do my little intro thing where it goes into the text? Yeah, so we're gonna do that right now. So, you know, get your clip, right, where you want to end it. Say like, I just said something funny and now I want to go into the intro, so you just move all this, get this out of the way for now. Woo! Okay, so now what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to grab a tiny little portion and you're gonna want to split it, okay? So now we got that split, and now you're gonna want to click this little cropping button tool thing. Nice. Alright, now that we're in here, let's make this a little bigger. What you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to click the end of the clip, and you're just gonna drag this in like. Alright, that's in. You're gonna want to make this really small, because then it's gonna be like. You'll see. Ready? Perfect. See how it zooms in all crazy? Nice. Okay, if you want to make the zoomy in thing look cooler, what you do is you go to video effects right here, and then go to, hold on, I need to find it. I don't remember what it's called, but I'll figure it out. Light rays. You see light rays? Boom. Get some weak light rays in there. Boom. You see that? Blurs it a little bit. And now when we zoom it in, it looks pretty much the same, but it looks a little smoother now, right? Nice. Now you gotta add your text. So go to media generators now, go to legacy text, and I just use this one. And then you just type whatever, so like, yo, fool. This, the intro. And then I usually do like 2 frames of text. So I go, this the intro, and then maybe another one that's saying, like the video, homie. Nice, we got our intro basically done. We just gotta add some music later. I usually put where the beat drops right here, or I start the music right here. So now we got, there's a little lag because it's just preview. Yeah, I'm gonna mute this because I don't want to listen to Are You Gay over and over again. So you see that? Boom, we got our nice little intro. But now that we got our intro, we can move all this clip stuff back. Here, clip stuff. Come back here. And now it says, Are you gay? And then it'll go into the intro. And then it'll start the video.
Absolutely not.
Then you got that British kid with my fan in the background. No, what I do before subtitles is say there's like a random boring moment that there's no one talking in. This thing all has talking. Let me just try to find a moment that doesn't have talking. He's not joining.
Wait, what do you want?
Well, just pretend I said something funny and then nobody talks for a little while, and then you don't want it to be boring, and then it'll just be like this. So what I do is I cut it, right? Cut a small portion out. Boom, like this. Go into the crop thing again. And I either do 2 things. One is where I do this. I just drag it out a ton to make it really small. Here's what it looks like. You see how it's getting small? And then I move it to kind of in the corner like that, and then turn it. And that'll make like the weird zoomy out effect thing I do. That is very slow. Don't do that. See, you got the little zoom out thing. Usually I'd make it a little bit longer. Whatever, that's one of the things I do for my little motion tracking effects. And the second one is, let's get another small clip. Right here. Oops. I just clicked everything. Alright, we got our small clip, click the cropping thing. Go to the end. And what I do is bring it in like this, like we did with the intro. And then I just turn it. So now it'll be like... Sorry about that. Let's make that a little bit longer. So I just do these little effects in random spots of the video that I think it'll fit in. You could do whatever spot you want, I don't really care. And then once you got all the motion tracking done, let's get into the subtitles, boys. Alright, let's insert a video track here. Go to legacy text. Boom, plop it down there. Plop it right where it matches up with the audio. See where the audio starts right here? And it says, are you gay? You can either put the full sentence, are you gay? Or you could do like one word each time, I don't know. I'll do one word each time so I can explain it better because I don't want to fill this whole thing with subtitles. So now click this little blue little thing. Nice. Okay, whatever, highlight it. And the font I use, it's called Grow Bold. So boom. Now we got this R done. We go to effects right here. So feather, you're gonna want to turn that all the way down. See how it's all the way down? And then I usually just play with the Y offset and the X offset a little bit just to make it a little more 3D. So that's probably good. And I usually do a light blue, like a bluish color as the background for mine. You can do whatever color you want. And then now we're gonna want to make this in the bottom of the screen. All right. So we start from the beginning. Make sure you're on the beginning frame, and then just drag it out like this, and then move it down to the middle. Okay. Now that you got that, you're gonna want to cut it off where he starts to say you, because this is R, and you want it to say you gay.
Are you gay?
So he'll start saying you.
Are you gay? Are you gay?
Right there he starts saying you. So we cut this, and then what you're gonna do to keep these settings, I usually just hit Control C on here, on the subtitle, and then I paste it. And make sure you click create a new copy of source media. Don't create a reference because then it's gonna. I'll show you what it does. Okay. So now we type you here. See if we click the other option, both of these texts would have changed to you. They would have both been the same. So that's why you want to create a copy.
Gay?
So, and then do the same thing. You're gonna want to create another subtitle when he says gay. So Control V again since you've already had this copied, and then just replace this with gay. And then boom, you got your subtitle. And then he'll say,
are you gay?
Boom, we got subtitles down. That's all I do for my videos. I add some music too. Let's add some music. Hold on. Alright, so now we got our music. We can go file, import media again, like you imported all your videos. I don't know where my music is. Don't worry about that. Okay, now we got our music. So let's put it where the intro starts. So boom, right here. Let's do this.
Are you gay?
My legs are dangling off the edge. The bottom of the bottle is my only friend.
Now you're gonna have to turn this down a bit. All right.
My legs are dangling off the edge. The bottom of the bottle.
Absolutely not.
It's Pride Month though.
Why not?
You suck my fat.
There you go. That's how you edit my videos. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And I'm at 500. Woo! Let's keep it there. Peace out.